Hello students, I hope you all are in pink of health and doing study work at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video I would like to continue the vocabulary exercises that we had started in our previous video, so that we can revise all the word meanings that we had learned in our previous video, and it will also help us to check that how many word meanings of those you have remembered. Okay students, so as I said in our previous video that these exercises I have made for you to check that how many word meanings of those do you remember. Okay students, so in our previous video we had went through up to here exercises 5. Okay, and in today's video we will move ahead and we will see the further exercises. Okay, and we will check that how many word meanings of those do you remember. Okay students, so shall we start now students? So our exercise 6 is, so as I said in our previous video, here some statements are given in this exercises. Some statements are given, and each statement has two options and you have to choose the correct one. Okay, you have to choose the correct one. As you can see here, two options are given and you have to choose the correct one and fill in this blank. Okay, fill in this given blank. Okay students, is that clear? So let us start doing exercises. Okay students, so here the exercise 6 is, in desert. Okay, in deserts people dash houses with thick walls and very small windows. Okay, so students, in desert area which kinds of houses are? So here you have to choose the correct option out of these two and fill in this blank. Okay, so firstly tell me students, in desert area the houses are houses with thick walls and very small windows. Okay, so here you have to fill the correct word. Look at this word. First word is build and second word is protect. Okay, so what do you think, which one is the correct answer? Yes, build means to make something. Okay, to make something, and protect means to keep safe. Okay, to keep safe something. So what do you think, which one is the correct answer? In desert people houses dash in desert people dash houses with thick walls and very small windows. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, build is the correct answer. In desert area people build people build houses with thick walls and very small windows. Okay, so come to the exercise 7. Houses are built on top of long wooden poles called dash. Okay, houses are built on top of long wooden poles called dash. Okay, and here again two options are given. You have to choose the correct one and fill in this blank. Okay, so here first option is slope and the second option is stilt. Okay, so what do you think, which one is the correct option students? So here slope means spill. Okay, slope means spill, and stilts means long wooden poles. Okay, long wooden poles. Okay, so here you can see in this question long wooden poles. Okay, long wooden poles. Okay, so in these questions long wooden poles are also present, so long wooden poles are called stilts. Okay, so option B, long wooden poles means stilts, is correct answer. Stilts is the correct answer. Okay, so here you have to write stilts. Okay, here you have to write stilts. So what is the spelling of stilts, students? Can you tell me what is the spelling of stilts? The spelling of stilts is STILTS. Okay, STILTS, stilts. Okay, stilts means long wooden poles. Okay, are called stilts. Is that clear? Okay, move ahead and come to the exercise 8. Okay, a bungalow is a house with on one or only one or two dash. Okay, so what will we write here? So here again two options are given, you have to choose the correct one. Okay, students, so a bungalow is a house with one or two dash. So here first option is story and second option is available. Okay, so story means, what do you mean by story? Story means a level of a building. Okay, story means a level of a building, and available means something that is available. Okay, so available story means a level of a building. So here a bungalow is a house with one or two. A bungalow is a kind of house that one or two level. Okay, that only one or two level. So here a story is the correct answer. Okay, because story means a level of a building, so here you have to write a story. Okay, STOREY. Okay, story. What is the spelling of story, students? The spelling of story is STOREY, story. Okay, okay, move ahead, students, and come to the exercise number 9. Okay, so ninth one is houses are usually made with things that are dash nearby. Okay, so what will we write here in this blank? So first option is available and the second option is thatched. Okay, so students, tell me, we made our houses uh, with what kinds of things, students? So we made our houses with the things that are easily available or nearby. Okay, so here available is the correct answer. Okay, so what is the spelling of available, students? What is the spelling of available? The spelling of available is, repeat after me, students, AVAILABLE, available. Okay, so you have to write available over here. Okay, you have to write available in this blank. Okay, students, is that clear? Now come to the next exercise. Exercise number 10. Okay, dash roofs are made of straw. Okay, dash roofs are made of straw. So which kinds of roof are made of straw, students? So here two options are given. First one is thatched and the second one is tiles. Okay, so students, tell me, tiles roof are tiles roof made of straw? No, tiles roof are not made of straw. They are made of tiles. So that's why we called it tiles roof. Okay, and the thatched roof are kind of roof that are made of straw. Okay, thatched roofs are made of straw. So here you have to write thatched. Okay. So what is the spelling of thatched, students? The spelling of thatched is THADHAT okay, THATTHED. Is that clear? So here write the correct answer. Okay, students, move ahead and come to the exercise number 11. Okay, so 11 is multi-story buildings are dash to each other. Okay, so you have to choose the correct answer and fill in this blank. So here two options are given. Okay, first one is attached and the second one is available. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Tell me, students, which one is the correct answer? Multi-story buildings are dash to each other. So students, tell me, does the multi-story buildings are attached to each other? Multi-story buildings, each flat of multi-story buildings are attached to each other. Is that clear? So here the option number A, attached, is the correct answer. Okay, so here you have to write attached. Okay, so students, what is the spelling of attached? Repeat after me. The spelling of attached is ATTACHED. Okay, repeat after me again, students. ATTACHED, attached. Okay, write attached over here, students. You have to write attached in this given blank. Okay, so here our exercises are completed now and I have a homework for you all, students. So you all have to learn all the word meanings. Okay, students, so you all have to learn all these word meanings. Okay, students, so I hope you enjoyed today's class. So bye bye, students, take care of yourself and see you in the next video lesson.